Remulla at the Nino Aquino Stadium. First set going to the Sandugo San Sebastian Lady Stags. Numbers of that first set from Anne.
First set dominated by Sandugo San Sebastian with 12 attack points compared to only 4 from FEU. 2 block points for Sandugo, 1 for FEU. 2 service aces for Sandugo San Sebastian. Pero ito, looking at the number of errors, a lot of errors have been committed by Sandugo, with giving FEU free na 9 points yan for the first set. So, although they won the first set, there were a bit shaky, especially in the first part.
Yeah, in the opening.
In the opening of the first set. Let's see now. I'm assuming that Sandugo San Sebastian has warmed up and pretty much on their game already.
For the side of FEU, and ito, nadagdagan na yung kanilang 6 kanina nung first set. We've got Patrona now in the court together with Giselle C. And of course their libero, Abitan, and other players warming up over at the sidelines for FEU. Patrona with a good reception. Throw out to Tabaquero. Tabaquero was a bit quiet in that first set.
Yes, and most of her attempts were actually blocked, either blocked or didn't go over. Yeah. Let's see now if the second set will be any better. Palma also joining the squad.
Shakey's, if it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. So Zane Rosses, quick kill right there versus Zane.
In the first set, just looking at our top scorers, Sandugo, San Sebastian, Boli, and Benito both with 5 points. For FEU, it's Remulla with 4, Tabaquero with 1. So clearly for FEU, they have a lot of work to do here in the second set.
Ooh, good block!
Palma with an excellent block.
Another one of those stall middle blockers. Ayun.
Yes, excellent timing there by Palma.
Tabaquero with a serve. Ganda naman ng play.
Now Patrona and Palma unable to block that one. Yun ang mahirap sa running attack, no? Because the movement, yung momentum is going to the right side.
Pag pahabol kang hirap eh.
Ang hirap.
Dapat nakaabang ka talaga dyan.
At saka maraming options din kasi yung attacker, no?
Yeah.
To bring it cross court or down the line.
Rosses targeting Remulla and
getting an ace.
That's
getting
right.
a point.
Let's see if she still goes back to Remulla. This time they go to Abitan. Nice dig by Tabaquero. Off speed from Remulla. They set it up for Jam. Off the block of Palma. She gets the point.
Service.
5-3. So Zane with a floater. They go Patrona this time. The block is there.
No coverage there for FEU.
Again, this is the open conference and kaya walang restrictions when it comes to guest players. You can field in any player you want, regardless if it's a foreign player, a local
player,
from another school. Yeah. So ito, yun lang ang talagang maganda dito sa ating open conference. Palakasan ng lineup, pagalingan ng team. Yun ang laban.
On that note, ito namang si Jeng, palakasan din ang palo. Looking at that attack.
Service.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Suzanne Rosses to Remulla. Off speed, this time from Patrona.
Again, if you're up against strong blockers, especially the lineup that Sandugo has, you have to be very smart when it comes to attacks.
Remulla with a service ace. Pwede pa pala.
Pwede ba? ang hinihintay namin hindi yung paglalaro ni ate. Kung kailan namin makikita ulit si Doc Ian maglaro.
Baka malabo ng malabo mangyari yun. Oy, mukhang hindi lalampasan yun. Blocked by the tape. We are tied at 7 or 6-7. Just a 1-point lead for the Sandugo San Sebastian Lady Stags.
It's very important for FEU to keep their score very close to Sandugo San Sebastian.
Outside. No touch from any FEU player. We're tied at 7-all. So ito yung sinasabi natin, nung nadagdagan na yung players ng FEU, it's a different ball game altogether. Then to Remulla, they go Patrona again. This time above the block. Free ball yan for Buali. That's another point for FEU. Now they have the lead. Wow, first technical timeout even going to the FEU Lady Tamaraws here in the second set. 8-7. We'll be back.